Hello, vote Hamming. So right here, this is voting again. So we are going to be making other reviews on voting. So this is the latest update for voting for the last 24 hours. So we can move straight into the video without wasting much of our time. So thanks so much for joining me again. So for the benefit of those watching this channel for the very first time, we make reviews about online investment platform right here, and all you need to do is to go to the red subscribe button if your subscription is still on red. So just hit the subscribe button and kill up the red light right there, so and turn on the notification bell icon so you not miss a daily update when I drop an update on vote hidden right now. So let's talk about vote. And currently vote is down, and I said earlier in my post, I said the price for vote hidden, if you want to check the real correct price, you can check the other platform like the desktops and the every other stuff. You can actually check to compare the price between that and this together. But currently on CoinMarketCap, we have about vote is down about 34.52% right now. So this is actually the volume, and we are going to be talking about this particular volume. Before we talk about this volume, I have a message to pass again. I actually make a video about a particular platform that you can actually earn the USDT freely from. So the platform is actually working right now and is 100% legit at a particular moment of making this particular video. So if you're interested, there's a link at the description to the Telegram channel. That's to my Telegram channel. You can join. All the 4 details you need, how to register, everything is actually there, and you can start making your money directly. So that is that about that. So you're actually seeing the plan showing right here, so you can actually do or go for the one you actually wish is going to be okay for you and every other stuff. So sorry for the break in transmission. Let's come back into vote hidden. So currently on vote hidden right here, we have this particular amount of volume, and vote hidden is actually increasing in terms of volume about 41.44% right now. So what is making vote hidden volume actually increase right now? This should take us directly to the holder, and let's see how people actually bargain vote hidden at this particular point in time, if people actually really bargain vote hidden. And currently what we are seeing right now, the less bag actually came up again, and I said in my last video, so after April 5, April 6, April 7, April 8 and April 9, after the migration, the second date of the migration, the drop on the buyers actually reduced. As you can see, April 10 and April 11 right here, that's a low point of migrating right here, but the exchange is actually still coming up on this particular token because people are still migrating. So that's one of the reasons why the volume is increasing. Like activities are actually still going on this particular platform. Like the migration is actually going to be lasting for 6 days, and currently I'm making this particular video, I think the migration is having about 4 to 5 days left right now. So for the benefit of those people that haven't migrated their token from V1 to V2, you can actually check down the video down how to migrate, and you'll be able to get the full details right here without making an error. And also for us that will migrate, we are going to be waiting for April 16 for the latest update for the V2 to actually be launched right there. So with that being said, let's go straight into the Twitter handle and let's check if you have any other stuff we can actually look into. So this is vote hidden official Twitter handle, and what we have right here, we say vote hidden, same token, same project, same vote harming, but not the same votage. That is what is going to be happening very soon. So this is V1 is having 1 vote, but right now we have V2 already, and it's having a lot of bond and a lot of owning to all together right here. So for the sports and the vote hidden P2E game, you are paying to earn, and the reward for the top winners are going to be starting very soon right now. So unlike the first, and this one will be like about 3 weeks. So the reward for the first one actually been launched already. They've actually given those people their price. Let me just show you right here. The price has been dashed out. Okay, I think we have it here already. Yeah, so you can see, yeah, the price about 5 hours ago, that's $63,000. $63,000 is in prize bond has just been distributed to the winner of our first P2E game round rather. So this is actually what they actually said right here, and 25k for the first 50 individual players. So that's actually something massive right here. So another one is actually going to be coming up very soon, and vote has actually distributed the winners and everything. So that's the latest updates on voting at this particular point in time. So all you need to do is to stay tuned to the channel and hit subscribe button, turn on the notification bell icon. That is the only area you can actually get stable and get notified with the latest update on your favorite coin you are holding. So thanks so much for watching, and I wish to see you on my next video. Peace out.